Hey everyone, I'm back again, live again. We're still testing out this mevo system. Today it's not on auto direct, so we're not swapping between the cameras automatically. So I can do this by hand on my iPad. Here we go. Here we go to the close, to the total, and then again back to me. So welcome. Again, I'm still having a flu, and it's not really getting better. So let's see how this affects my abilities to host you today. Meanwhile, I've got some more pieces, and I've been starting to grind. So all this dust you can see over here is all from the grinder, which I've been using. And I'm trying to make the pieces fit as well as possible. I think I cut myself today. I think over here I made a design mistake. So there are three, over here there, of course, Wolverine has three of those knives coming out of his hand. 1, 2, 3. But somehow I made a cut between these two pieces, which is not really necessary. So I'm thinking about redoing this part. And I wanted to discuss the color we will be using for his skin. I am aware Oceanside has made some, they've made some new colors. They're not available to me at this moment. But they did some wonderful new colors. And, well, Wolverine is a bit tanned, so I think we'll be alright by using one of these colors over here. Let me show you, they are quite much the same, yet they are quite different as well. Is this on camera? Yes, there we go. So they both have this wispy, streaky kind of character. Which I like a lot, because you can use the brighter or the darker parts by choice, of course. And when you hold them in the light, they really start to change from one another. Let's see if I can show you on camera. Alright, yeah, so this one is more translucent than the other one, which is really dark. So yeah, that's going to be, I guess, part of our choice. However, we'll be using a small bracket to from Hang Your Glass to actually hang this piece on the wall. So there won't be really much light pouring through. So it will be either something like this or something like this. So that's a tough choice to make, I guess. For now I'm thinking the lighter one of these two. I'll put it here next to the camera for you also to watch. So I guess that's the main part of today's video. Is I really would like to know which kind of glass has your preference. Maybe the darker one will fit nicely as well. Let me just adjust the camera a little bit so you can see them both properly. Next to, yeah, there we go, next to the piece. Alright. And then we also have a top view. Maybe that's even more helpful. So either one of those. I've been making some of these parts already, and as you can see, this is very opaque glass as well, which I like very much for the blades. But it's a pain to actually cut them from the pattern. So I've been using these. Meet my friend, the cutter and the pit stift. And in order to work with them, I printed out some parts from the pattern already. So here we go. And well, basically I've been cutting them out and sticking them to the glass to make these parts. So I really hope these will be given just a little bit of the animals, so we can actually show them they have a cutting edge, and maybe some lines to really, well, in a comic style, show that it's actually a blade and not just a grey part of glass. Yeah, I think that's where we are right now. I'm not making this a very long video because I really want to go home. It's about 5 o'clock, and I need to well, to clean a bit and make my way home. But for now, I really wanted to show you where I am right now, and especially again to ask you, like, which kind of these two would you think would be nice to use for the skin tones. Over here I need to adjust the pattern a bit because there are no cutting lines around the mouth, and I really want the mouth to be transparent as the eyes, so I can actually with some animals paint the teeth in, so it looks really growly. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. Just a brief update and the question. Please let me know which one you prefer, either the darker one, I'll show you, or the slightly lighter one. This is actually quite a nice view to show them both to you, actually. So here we go. Which one do you prefer for the Wolverine? Please let me know in a comment below. I'll be uploading these videos on YouTube as well, so they will become quite a series, like Wolverine Part 1, Part 2. Please check that out as well. And in the meantime, I'll be cutting more pieces and sanding them down so they can fit, like this part over here. And maybe that's something nice to show you in the next video, because behind me, over here behind me, I've got a few grinders. So over here I've got two, a crystal and a degrinder. Over here I got a spare crystal, and I should have a grinder there as well, but it's sadly it got damaged. And I'm working with both of them, so that's something maybe fun I can show you, and I can share with you why I'm doing that. And in order to do so, I think it would be nice to well, finalize all the blue parts in the pattern. So over here, these parts, here the shoulder part, as well as the color use, the color tones. And once they are there, we can do a next live session. I don't know when, during this week, and else Monday morning for me or Sunday evening for you, to actually send them down. And in the meantime, I'll be posting some footage on Insta and on TikTok. Okay, that's about it for today. Thank you for watching or rewatching, depending on where you are today and when you are seeing this video. Again, for this project we are using Oceanside tiles and glass from Oceanside. And that's because they are collaborating with me on this series, and the grand total of this project will be revealed in September on the largest glass well, expo, I guess you might call it, in Düsseldorf in Germany. So until then we'll be creating all these wonderful heroes. This is the first one of the series, and in September we will show you the end result, and in the meantime we will share, of course, every hero that has been made, but the grand total is still a bit of a secret, and that's something we will share with you at the, well, in September. I'm not sure when it is. I think it's about the 20th or something. So the big review has yet to wait. For now, let's focus on the Wolverine and its hue of his skin. Please tell me which one of these is your favorite. And in the next video, I'll make sure those parts are cut as well, so we can start grinding and sanding down the pieces to the size they need to have. Alright, thank you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.